If you're a YouTuber, you need to master SEO to stand out in the crowded platform. Here's how to get started. First up, keywords. They are the foundation of your SEO strategy. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find the best keywords for your niche. Next, focus on titles and descriptions. Make sure your title is catchy and packed with your main keyword to attract viewers. For descriptions, write naturally, but sprinkle in those keywords. Now, let's talk about tags. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to cover all bases. Don't forget about creating eye-catching thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can boost your click-through rate, signaling to YouTube that your content is valuable. Finally, remember that engagement is king. Encourage likes, comments, and shares to increase interaction. The more interaction, the higher your video will rank in search results. And there you have it. Simple yet effective strategies. Quick tips to maximize your YouTube SEO and grow your channel. Get optimizing and watch those views soar. Happy YouTubing!